Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell how to make your account public in Instagram. Please like, subscribe to the channel. Watch this video carefully to the end. Let's get started. Go with you to Instagram. Then open your profile in the lower right corner. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars, Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Click on Account Privacy. And as you can see, my account is now private. To make it public, we remove this slider here. Now we read that here now, we'll be able to comment, put likes, write comments, simple ordinary people, as well as subscribe without request. You will not be asked. If you agree with this, click Switch to Public. After that, your account becomes public. This is a simple way to do it. If you liked this video and helped, then be sure to subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.